The meet is officially over now. Great turnout. There was tons of GR86s and BRZs. I love it out here. We have to come out here more often. Great company. Working on cars with friends. It's just a little bit different out here than working on cars by myself back home. So definitely gonna be out here more often. But we are gonna head out and get some food. And then we're gonna do a little photo shoot later on. Came out here, gonna do a little shoot. Look at this lot. I wish we had something like this back home. Look at this. The lighting is good. There's nobody here. So jealous. Look who decided to show up this morning. She brought her BRZ. So we're gonna install this guy here. Look at that. We've got an Infinity Design intake. We're gonna do a speed run on here and see how fast we can get it installed. I'm just gonna tear this bumper off.
Oh geez, please don't do that. I don't want missing clips.
I think that's racist.
I think.
She opted for the matte one. I haven't seen the matte one in person yet, and I'm kind of jealous.
She looks really good.
This looks good. This is, I'm excited to see this on the car.
Me too. I can't believe how light it is though.
It literally is nothing. You can hold this up with one finger. Like, I just, look at this. That's it. All right, let's get this thing installed.
Let's do it. The ice cream man?
Why must you tempt me like this? I haven't heard an ice cream truck in the longest time. I kind of want to go over there now.
Yeah.
Do we do a side quest? Okay. Look at that.
Nice.
We're like probably 10 minutes in.
No way, dude.
She waved at me. I think she's stopping.
Oh, she's stopping.
Not stopping.
She's not stopping.
No! What a tease!
It's almost a side quest.
What a tease!
Hey, I bet she's gonna flip back around.
Oh. Okay, if she
does,
we're getting ice cream.
It's happening.
Yep.
Whoa, this is perfect. It's
Yeah,
crazy.
the whole thing.
Oh.
That easy.
Wow.
That's it. That your intake's out.
There's so much room. I can sit in that.
Yes, Lauren can fit in here. I'm gonna have to pull up my own video. That's lovely.
What is up, guys? Today.
Oh my gosh.
He's watching his own video right now.
Wait, for the
He's
install?
really
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, figured it out, guys. Thanks to the help of Kevin Vo on YouTube, we were able to figure this out.
Dang, he seems like a chill guy.
Yeah. What would I do without him? She's home.
Mom's home.
She's got the goods.
She does. Thank you so much, Mom.
Yes. Oh my god.
You guys keep doing this, I'm gonna move here.
We're all assembled. Let's feed the front in first.
Front first.
There she is.
Wow. Look at that.
Okay.
That looks nice. Nice.
That's pretty satisfying. So we turn this thing on and hear it suck. Ooh. That's a lot louder. That is a lot louder.
It feels like a bit more, I don't know if it's
Responsive?
Dyno feels a bit more responsive.
She already feels it in the butt dyno.
I feel it coming.
You can definitely hear that.
That's nice. I like this a lot.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yes. There it is, guys. Intake is fully installed. Bumper is back on. She's ready to drive. Put this back down, close the hood. Let's get going. It's the last day, last full day here in SoCal, and we've been super busy the past few days, so I haven't had a chance to drive the cars that much, but we're gonna take some time. We got the meet done with. Yesterday was a blast. The people, the cars, the vibe. I fuck with it. I need to come out here more often and just enjoy the car scene, enjoy the people. But today, we are gonna be driving Steven's BRZ for the very first time. And we gotta see how it compares to my stock engine, GR86. Let's see how this thing feels. Here we go.
You ready, bro?
I don't know. This is my first time driving a boosted second gen.
Ooh.
All right, I'm excited to see how this feels. Holy shit. Dude, that feels really good.
Send it here.
This is gonna ruin me! No!
Right now.
Get my phone out, order it.
Give me your credit card, bro.
It's linear.
Yeah, it's very linear.
So the power band is very similar. It still feels like the GR86 as far as the power delivery, but it's just more of it when you want it. Holy shit!
Yeah, baby!
Oh my god.
Oh man, yeah, that's... This is my first time passenger. I haven't been passenger.
In the passenger seat,
this
this
is
your
my
first time?
Yeah, I haven't let anyone else drive it.
Dude, I'm honored.
No, that one felt good. It's like mid-turn, too.
And he turned on the burble tune just for me. Just a little bit more rowdy.
More. Drop the clutch.
Oh, shit!
Yo! Yeah! Yo! We got some tire school
Holy
there.
Shit! This is too fun! Damn it! Damn it! Oh, I'm gonna have to spend some monies.
Keeps going, dude. Squirrel! Fucking squirrel!
Man.
Dude, it gets scary at fourth. It's like it keeps going, and you're like, what the?
It sounds so good.
You don't expect it to keep pulling afterwards.
It's like it's my GR86 on drugs. I really like how this feels. Honestly, like I'm not just saying that for the sake of the video. I really like how this thing feels. We're gonna send it again.
Oh shit.
I need to put the AWE back on the car for a little bit. Get these pops. It pops so much with this exhaust. And this is with a stock header, stock front pipe.
That's it, yeah. Literally just the catback.
Man, that's good. What is it? What are we sitting at for power on this?
We're at 305.
I mean, that's all we need.
Yeah.
I think that's where I would want mine to be at around 350.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's like the perfect amount for these cars. And it's not too much, especially if you want to track it.
Yeah, and if you want more, you get a smaller pulley.
Yes! Yes! the car feels amazing.
Dude, you gotta.
How are the donuts? How are the donuts?
So fun. So fun. I'm a takeover boy now.
Oh shit!
Just kidding.
All right, now that we're done hooning around, let's actually take a closer look at the car and talk about all the different modifications that have been done to it. I'm gonna let Steven run through the mod list here for you.
All right, so biggest thing first, we got the Artisan Spirits wide body kit. We only have the front fenders, rear fenders, and obviously the front lip. And then up here on the hood, we have the Arc Performance carbon fiber vented hood. And then we got the Alpharex Nova Series headlights. These are the clear versions. They have a smoked one available.
Yeah, so these are different than the ones that are on my car.
Oh,
so like, so I have the smoke ones.
Lens? Okay.
So mine, the lens is a little bit darker, obviously, since it's smoked out. And then there's red accents on the inside. I don't know how well you can see that, but there are red accents on the inside, and it really works on this car because he has the bright, what was this? Lark pink? Lark pink accents on here. So just seeing a little touch of a similar red in there is a nice touch there.
Sure. And then moving on over here, we got the T37 SL Black Edition 3s. And it's wrapped in some Nexen Sport R tires. And then in here we got the APG, I like to call them ABGs.
ABG brakes.
ABGs. APG Performance brakes. What else? And then we got the whole car is wrapped by Oni Wraps. It's a satin white base. And then on top, like we said earlier, we have Lark Pink. Going for that Gundam unicorn theme. All right.
Driven Media, sponsored by Driven Media. We got some carbon parts up here too. This is what, the Sabon?
Sabon. And then for suspension, we have everything, full lineup from RSR. So we got the rear control arms and coilovers as well. We are on the Sport Eyes, I believe. It's more of like a straight setup. And I think what we want to do in the future is get the club racers, because we're rubbing a bit.
It's a little soft, a little soft.
We need a little more stiff.
But it's comfortable. It's comfortable. Just riding in the car and driving it, it's comfortable out on the street. So if you are, just daily driving it, that is a good setup.
Yeah.
And then the back.
Moving on to the back, my favorite
To the
angle.
back. Look at that.
Okay, we got right here, we got the Battle Arrow / Saber Design carbon swan neck, giant wing.
I mean, look at that thing.
Beautiful.
It looks really good. Okay, I gotta be honest, I'm usually not a fan of swan neck wings on a lot of cars, but on this specific build,
perfect on this car.
It just fits this build. On a lot of cars, like some people throw swan necks on like stock cars and stock body cars. For me, it doesn't work. But on this,
it matches.
Yeah, look at that. Like I'll go right behind the car and you can see that
definitely
that just looks really good. It just, because of how much wider it is with the Artisan Spirits wide body kit, it works out perfectly. All right, what else we got back here?
And then we got Alpharex taillights.
So these are the same taillights on my car, same red lens as well with the trunk bar. And then he has
a Sabon rear diffuser.
Oh yeah, so instead of
he customized.
Yeah, he custom fitted, retrofitted the Sabon rear diffuser to the Artisan Spirits kit. So actually cut off the ends here and then made these custom plates to make it mount to these rear fenders here.
And I guess
then the AWE Touring exhaust.
Best exhaust.
That just pops like crazy, especially of course with the burble tune, but it sounds really good. Let's pop the hood. This is besides the wide body and the livery, this is the best part. Look at this. The supercharger. The big red supercharger in here. Get in the hole. Ah! This thing makes this car feel incredible. like I said, this is my first time driving a boosted second gen. I did drive the HKS Supercharger when I was back working on a certain black BRZ, but this feels even better. Like I said, the power delivery is super linear, so it still retains the feeling of a GR86 and BRZ, but just elevates the whole experience. I cannot wait to see you drive this thing out on the track, because it's gotta feel amazing.
Yeah, dude, so good. 300, man, 300. That's all you need.
Where are you taking? What track you taking this first?
Buttonwillow.
Buttonwillow.
Buttonwillow, yeah.
Okay, I'm excited to see this car out on the track. Excited to see what you do at Buttonwillow. We've got some more carbon bits in here as well. The Harp Supercharger comes with the matte air box on this side, and then we added some driven media carbon here to match the radiator shroud, the fuse box cover. He's got the Billet Works caps here to match the red of the Supercharger. Also has the low glow kit. Obviously right now we can't see it because it's super bright out, but we did get some shots of it earlier in the week that I can show you. But you did an amazing job on this, man.
Thank you.
Props to Steven on this. I can't believe I'm out here able to drive the car and just seeing it in person, finished. Look at it. Oh my God. Let's go fuck around some more.
Let's go.
All right, guys.
Oh, it smells like tire.
Well, guys, this car has ruined me. We're gonna have to do something to the GR86. Oh, a cop just drove by. Oh my God.
They don't give a fuck here.
Oh man. But yeah, don't get me wrong. You don't have to add forced induction to a GR86 or BRZ. They are perfectly fine stock. But after just feeling how this car feels with just a little bit more, and how much fun it is,
Whole new potential.
the sounds it makes, that supercharger whine, or maybe we'll make some noises.
Oh, dude. Who knows?
Yeah, we're gonna have to
supercharger or turbo.
And then maybe we got a race.
Dude. Yeah.
Maybe if I end up
wide body your car, boost your car.
Okay, all right.
And then bring it down.
If I boost the car and I put a wide body on there, I'm taking the car out here and we're gonna do some sort of challenge with Steven.
Hell yeah.
Let me know if that is something you guys want to see.
If this video gets 10,000 likes, he's gonna do it.
No way. There's no way. That's not happening. I dare you guys.
Do it, guys. I'll make 10,000 accounts just for this.
Well, guys, that is a wrap for this trip. It has been a hell of a weekend. We met up with old friends, met some new friends, ate a ton of fantastic food, took in some beautiful views, and just overall enjoyed great company. Huge shout out to Steven and Jane for being my second home out here in California. Shout out to Jeff as well for loaning me the WRX to rip around in. That was a blast to just try and put the power down to the rear wheels. But it is time for me to head back home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this trip. I had an absolute blast, if you couldn't tell. If you want more of these trips and more of these types of vlogs, please let me know. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys next time.